Welcome back, everyone. We hope you like this video. We had fun making it. We hope you have fun watching it. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, share the video, help us get the word out. This product is amazing and it's changing the countertop and flooring industry. Follow us on our social media sites too, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. We're always posting customer installs there, and you can see what people are doing with our product. It's truly amazing. Our systems are one of a kind every time, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.